Let us look at a rolling forecast example in SAC planning. Now we have the requirement to build a story that is a rolling forecast. So the data that we have is actuals from January to June, and from July it is forecast. So we want the actuals to be locked, they're not editable. Okay, so it has this darker background, and the forecast which is from July is we can edit. Okay, so I can just enter a value in forecast, example 100,000. When I hit enter, the data gets published. Okay, so we see this 100,000. So the actuals are locked, so when I double click on it, I'm not able to make any changes. So how did we do this? One is using the styling rules. So in the styling rules, I have mentioned that there are read-only cells. Okay, all the actuals are read-only cells. And how did we build the rolling forecast? The rolling forecast, we select the forecast layout. Okay, the moment we select the forecast layout, we see a cutover date option, and in the cutover date option I have selected July. Okay, and these are the settings for rolling forecast. Okay, where we can change the granularity. Okay, when we change the granularity to quarter, we would see a rolling forecast by quarter.